everyone, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute starfish. Now this is part of my Summer Landscapes crochet picture set, which is a series of 3 backgrounds perfect for summer and featuring 16 mix and match appliques which you can swap between the different landscapes. Now this is the sea scene and this is our starfish. Now I'm going to be using Scapious Katona, which is 100% mercerized cotton. It's a lovely cotton yarn, and you'll need a 3mm hook as well. I'll be talking in US terms, but you can grab the pattern in both US and UK terms on Ravelry and Etsy for the whole of the summer landscapes, which includes all 3 backgrounds and 16 motifs. So let's get started making our starfish, shall we? Let's pop him there so we can see him. So this is yarn 386, which is the colour peach that I'm going to be using. Okay, and we're going to start with a magic ring. So make a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your fingers like that, oops, into a loop, and then we're going to insert the hook into the loop, grab that yarn and pull it back through. And I'm just going to wrap the yarn around my fingers as if I was about to start crocheting, and then I'm going to chain 1. I've got this middle finger inside the ring, which helps keep it nice and secure as well. Okay, so we're going to start with 5 single crochets into the ring. So insert your hook into the ring, grab the yarn and pull it back through, yarn over and pull through 2. So we want 5 single crochets. Okay, when you've completed your 5, you're going to pull that yarn end to tighten it and continue, and you'll want to weave that in at some point as well. So for round 2, we're going to work 2 single crochets into each stitch around. So this is the tricky bit, getting it through that first stitch. I usually do 1 loop at a time to get it through, and use my nail, and hope my nails don't fall off doing it. So make 2 single crochets into that first stitch, and then 2 single crochets into every stitch all the way around. And at the end of this round you'll then have 10 stitches. You might want to use stitch markers to mark the first stitch of the round so that you can keep track of where you've got up to. Just need to get a bit more yarn. It's getting trapped. And you might find that that centre ring pulls a bit looser, but that's fine, you can just tighten it, and once you weave it in it will be fine. There we go, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is round 2 completed. Round 3, we're going to do a single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, and then we're going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that pattern around. So single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch. And if we've got our maths right, we will end up with 15 stitches at the end of this round. And then we're ready to make the star points. Now this is a super quick pattern. You can use it for all sorts of things like greetings cards. You could use it for a seaside scene like I have in the Summer Landscapes crochet picture set, or you could use it for as a key ring. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Right, there we go. So round 4. At the end of round 3, we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch to join, okay? And then we are going to chain 5. Like so. Now starting in the second chain from the hook, and I quite like to work in the back bumps here. We're going to do a single crochet. We're going to do a slip stitch. Then the next stitch we're going to do a single crochet. Next one we're going to do a half double crochet. Okay, and then we are going to do a double crochet, and that's into that last chain there. Okay, so we're going to skip 2 stitches, so that's the first one. We're going to skip 2 and go into the next stitch with a slip stitch. Then we're going to chain 5, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, single crochet into the next chain, half double crochet in the next chain, and double crochet in the next chain. Then we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, and slip stitch into the next stitch, and we're just going to continue like that all the way around, okay, until you have 5 spokes of the starfish when you get back to the beginning. So when you get back, we're going to make, so I've got to the last one, I've got 1, 2, and I'm going to make the last slip stitch into the base of that first leg of the starfish, okay, or you can make it into, whoops, the base here, like so, and that's your starfish. So you just fasten off there and take your cute little starfish out for a ride and use it for whatever purposes you want. Thank you very much for watching. Find all the links in the description below for the rest of the motifs for the Summer Landscapes crochet picture set, and I do hope you're going to join me in making one. Bye for now.